My name is Hina. I am a visual communication designer. I graduated from Media University and right now I'm working as a freelancer in Berlin. I did my master's in visual communication design and creative strategies and I had an amazing experience. I just got done with my thesis about 3 months ago. Actually, I was working during my studies. I was freelancing during that time as well. And right after my graduation, I just continued my work. We are here today for a workshop. And this workshop is about understanding global production systems and visually analyzing them. I'm also looking forward to having some design conversations which range from aesthetics to accountability. So there will be a lot of stuff that we'll be covering today. So one of the exercises that we are doing is that we are learning that how to create responsible labels. And even if you're not a designer, you can be a marketer, advertiser, a founder, or maybe you are a person who will launch their own business or product one day. So it's really important to understand the value of honest labels and transparent designs. The task is that they have to find the relevant information for a label and how it can impact the decision of a consumer. For example, this is a label for nudie jeans, and these two sides I have kept empty. So they have to pick any 3 important pointers and put it at the back of these labels. This is my first workshop and I'm having it at my own university, so I'm really excited about it.